Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code B18A1 indicates an internal circuit error within the left side BSI, blind spot information radar unit in the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. This DTC signifies that the left side BSI radar unit has detected a malfunction that it cannot resolve, leading to abnormal functioning of the system. The BSI radar plays a crucial role in monitoring the area adjacent to the vehicle, ensuring safety by detecting vehicles in the blind spot. When the system identifies an internal issue, it stores this code to alert technicians during diagnostics. In order to maintain vehicle safety and functionality, it is essential to troubleshoot and resolve this error effectively. The left side BSI radar unit is an essential component located near the left rear section of the Honda Accord, tasked with detecting vehicles that may be in the car's blind spot. It plays a vital role in ensuring safe lane changes and overall driving safety. The DTC B18A1 specifically indicates that the radar unit has identified an internal circuit error, which can hinder its performance. This internal malfunction could prevent the radar from effectively processing information regarding nearby vehicles, increasing the risk of potential accidents. A thorough inspection is necessary to confirm whether replacing the unit is required. Understanding the placement and function of this component is crucial for proper troubleshooting and repair. Several factors could lead to the triggering of DTC B18A1. The most immediate suspect is a defective left side BSI radar unit, which may have sustained damage or wear over time, affecting its internal components. Additionally, wiring issues could arise due to fraying or breaks, leading to improper signals being sent to or from the radar unit. Poor connections at the radar unit's terminals may also cause intermittent failures. Finally, an internal short circuit within the radar unit itself can prevent it from functioning correctly. Identifying the exact cause is crucial for accurate repairs and maintaining the system's integrity for proper blind spot monitoring. The symptoms associated with DTC B18A1 include the illumination of the malfunction indicator light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem in the vehicle's system. A malfunctioning left side BSI radar unit can lead to the failure of the blind spot monitoring system, meaning the driver will not receive alerts about vehicles in adjacent lanes. This increases the risk of accidents during lane changes or merges. Additionally, there may be system alerts or warnings displayed, signaling that technical assistance is required. These symptoms collectively indicate the presence of an internal error and the need for immediate attention. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B18A1 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers the vehicle's electronic systems, including the BSI radar unit, allowing it to perform self-checks. After switching the vehicle to on, it is crucial to wait for at least 5 seconds. This brief waiting period enables the BSI radar unit to initialize and report any error codes. By following this step, technicians can confirm whether the DTC is related to the inherent functionality of the radar unit, or if it persists due to other underlying issues. It's essential to follow this procedure to ensure that the diagnostic process is streamlined and accurate. Once the initial powering and waiting phases are complete, the next step is to inspect the left side BSI radar unit closely. Technicians should look for any signs of physical damage or wear that might indicate malfunctioning internal components. This inspection includes checking for corrosion, loose connections, or anomalies in the radar's housing. A thorough physical examination can reveal faults that may not be present in the wiring, but affect the radar's performance and connectivity. If any irregularities are observed during inspection, further testing or replacement might be necessary to ensure safe vehicle operation. The subsequent troubleshooting step involves checking the wiring and connectors associated with the left side BSI radar unit. It's imperative to ensure that all connections are secure, as loose or corroded connectors can result in intermittent signals and functionality issues. Technicians should examine the wiring for any signs of fraying or breaks, as these defects can lead to a loss of communication between the radar unit and the vehicle's electronic systems. Proper connectivity is vital for the real-time operation of the radar unit, and any faults found during this step should be repaired immediately to prevent further issues and maintain the system's reliability. If previous troubleshooting steps indicate that the left side BSI radar unit is indeed defective or damaged, the next course of action is to replace it. Technicians should utilize a genuine replacement part that conforms to the specifications required for the Honda Accord 2023. Once the new radar unit is installed, it is essential to confirm its functionality through initial tests. This will ensure that the new component correctly integrates with the vehicle's electronic systems, effectively monitoring the blind spot and preventing any potential safety hazards. After replacement, recheck for DTC codes to verify that the issue has been resolved and that no new codes appear. After completing the necessary repairs or component replacement for DTC B18A1, the final step is to conduct a repair verification process. This involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes that were stored in the system following the initial error. After clearing the codes, it is essential to conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions, allowing the BSI radar unit to operate fully and monitor the blind spot features. During the test drive, technicians should be vigilant for any warning signs or alerts indicating remaining issues. A successful test drive will confirm the effectiveness of the repairs and the proper functioning of the radar system, ensuring the safety features are activated and operational. To prevent the recurrence of DTC B18A1 and ensure long-term reliability of the BSI radar system, regular maintenance is key. Technicians should perform preventative inspections of the left side radar unit and its wiring connections at scheduled service intervals. This includes checking for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections, which can contribute to system failure. Keeping the connections clean is equally important, as dirt and debris can impact proper signaling and performance. By incorporating these maintenance practices, vehicle owners can help avoid potential issues and prolong the lifespan of the radar unit and other protective features in their Honda Accord. In conclusion, addressing DTC B18A1 involves understanding the fundamental operations of the left side BSI radar unit, which plays a critical role in blind spot monitoring. Effective troubleshooting requires systematic steps, including inspection, testing, and eventual replacement of components if necessary. Ensuring that all safety features are operational is paramount for the driver and passenger safety during vehicle operation. Regular maintenance and attention to this system can help mitigate future issues. By following the outlined procedures diligently, technicians can guarantee the reliability of the BSI system and maintain the overall safety and functionality of the Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.